self-explanatory reviews, and today we're here with Nadine West for December. I think I said a few months ago that I was going to cancel this, and I still haven't because I just have time and then I forget about it. So whatever, we're going to open this up. If you're not familiar with Nadine West, this is a monthly styling service. It's not just monthly. I think you can have it bi-weekly or whenever, once a quarter, whatever. They send you a bunch of things based on a profile that you tell them when you sign up. You only pay for the shipping. The shipping can be applied to anything you decide to keep. You send it back, they pay for that. And then you get a discount if you keep everything. What else? They do have a referral program. This is a more budget-friendly styling service. I know I've used a few different ones. This is the one that you really do have an option for clothes that are more affordable. If you have kids, you know how hard it is to keep clothes nice. Like, we are on the go all the time. Like, all the time. We're out at parks, we're doing stuff, Boy Scouts, Girl Scouts, chorus, band. We're just moving, and like, life happens. Stuff gets gross. And I have to be honest, like, my kids are, you know, like, my priority is living, not like looking perfect. So I need clothes that can like withstand my life, which is kind of crazy. Anyway, so there is that $10 shipping cost, but other than that, it's free. You send it back and then they'll just charge the card on file. This is hit or miss though, I will say that. So we're just gonna open it up. Now this is the bag you send it back in, so you have to be kind of careful here. I swear they're setting me up sometimes though. They want me to rip because I forget. All right, now everything is always wrapped up really nicely like this. This is Nadine West. Now there's a bunch of things in here. We're just gonna start opening. I told them when I signed up that I wanted nice things that I could wear to my school board meetings and to church and things like that, and they try. So this is a medium. I feel like this is something a teacher would wear. It's also see-through, so you have to wear something under it. I do like the fabric. It's very soft. It's kind of stretchy, like breathable, which is nice, but we'll see what the price is like. Then we have a pair of leggings. These are cute. I don't know what this kind of knitted look is called. It's nice though. I don't hate that. I think it's really cute, and I think it actually goes really well with this next item here. I think it looks nice together. All right, so this is, however, is it a dress? It's a dress. Okay, let's have a chat about December in Pennsylvania. It is currently 30 degrees outside. What in the hell do I need a spaghetti strap dress for? I don't. So anyway, it's pretty, but is it seasonal? No. Let's talk, Nadine. I do like this print. It just reminds me of like kind of a, I don't know what it reminds me of, like Bali or something, you know? All right. Then we have Zanana. This is actually not ugly. A lot of the clothes from this brand I don't like, I'll be honest. I'm just not into them. This isn't so bad. Like, I think it looks like it might be flat, right? Maybe. All right, here's our little slip. We put this back in the bag when we send it, and then the return address label's over here. We'll go over this though before we kind of recap. And then I will put images of me wearing each item at the end of this video, and then I'll let you know down in the description what I decide to keep. I just, it is hit or miss, but I do try everything on because I do find that I cast judgment on things and I'm like, oh, I won't wear that. And then I try it on, I'm like, that actually looks really good on me, and I would have never tried that on in the store. So, all right, moving on to our next item. All right, something stripy. Ooh, 2 stripies. Okay. Oh, this is, I don't know, guys. This is ugly to me. Is that mean to say? I don't hate it. Like, there's kind of a part of me that likes it. It's got these kind of cool sleeves, and it feels like flowy and like, but it's also like, I don't know. It has like a 70s vibe that I don't know if I like or not. You know? I just don't know. Here's a scarf. I think this is hideous. I'm not gonna lie. But I'll probably see myself in it and be like, that's so cute. But this to me is just ugly. I don't know. It's just not something I would ever choose to wear. All right. Then we have what this appears to be cute. Like whatever it is, it's cute. It's from the same brand as the other shirt. This one I really like. Like there is something very cool. It's gold, navy, and white, striped. I'm a short person, so vertical stripes are great. Make it look taller. And it has gold button embellishments. I actually really love this. I love the sleeves. I think this is very like becoming, I guess is a good word to describe it. I like it. That's probably my favorite item. But we're still not done though. There's always a ton. Nothing puts you in the Christmas spirit like giving. Nadine West items make great gifts and stocking stuffers. Thanks for the info. One thing I really don't like about this subscription is you can't not get jewelry. You have to get jewelry, and I really don't like that. All right. Okay, so these pants, so here's our jewelry. There's a bracelet, which is like a chain link. I'm not into it. I don't need any jewelry, and so like I really won't be keeping anything. And there's these hoops with leaves in them. Those are actually really pretty. I like those, but I don't need jewelry. Okay, there's these pants that I find really ugly. Sorry, I have to be honest. These have like a gold glitter throughout them. They're dark navy blue, but they have this stripe that reminds me of Sporty Spice. And I just don't like them. I really don't like them. And then the front, they like zip. I don't know. These remind me of like the movie Boogie Nights or something. I don't like it. Sorry. That's a no from me, dog. All right, these are from Shosho. These are a pair of black pants. And they have pockets, which is good. I don't know if I like them or not, though. I'll have to see them on because the leg is kind of really narrow. It's like very tapered almost, and I'm not really into that. All right, then finally we have this cowl neck sweater, which I think is really pretty actually, and I love the colors. It's very perfect for winter, which I can get into. So now what we're going to do is we're going to go over the prices. All right. And they always do this with the pricing. Is they never put like the brand of the shirt and like the color. They put like these names, like the Barbara scarf, okay? That's the scarf that was in there. It's $10.99. If there's 2 pairs of black pants, which it does happen quite a bit, that is completely confusing. So you have to guess. All right, so we're just gonna go through. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 tops. Desert Rose, that is this one right here. I'm just gonna guess that this is the one because it's Desert Rose. So this is $20.99. That's too much for that, in my opinion. I don't like it. Just don't like it enough to make that make sense. The plain Jamily leggings that are navy. Okay. No, here. Textured slim fit pants in black are $24.49. That's these pants right here. So those are almost $25. Then we have these. I think this is what they're calling the dark denim cadence. These are $11.99. Really? That's actually not that bad. But $11.99. And then the other leggings, which is surprising, are $11.49. These guys. So, all right, moving along. We have 2 of the same tops, right? Sandy button down long sleeve. I'm gonna say it's this because it's different price. No, hold on. I don't know. Maryland top medium. I don't know what the hell these shirts are. Holy smokes. Okay, guys, I'm sorry. I might be totally wrong here. Let's do the dress. See, this is what I don't like. This dress is $43.99. No, that's a no from me to you. No, that's not happening. The Desert Rose might be this top right here. I really don't know. Magda Multi. I have to look on their website. I think they have it on there. Sandy button down long sleeve. Mustard and navy. Oh, that's this one. This is the mustard and navy. This is $16.99. I actually might keep that because I really like it. We'll see what it looks like on. So this is a different, it's one that's multicolored and they say it's $11.99. I think that's actually this. Maryland top. This might be $36.49. I don't know. I'll have to double check. If you're really interested, I'm going to post this full review on my blog and then you can check it out there. The two pieces of jewelry, the earrings are $11.99 and the bracelet is $20.99. So if you're interested in checking out the full review, I will link to that below. But if you want to check out me and the outfits, check it out right here.